This is a CBSLA.com weather update.
Happy Monday, everybody. I am meteorologist Amber Lee, and I'm tracking the first of two storm systems making its way over to the Southland. Right now, the first one is just now making its way over to the Central Coast, and this in turn will also bring us not only showers but mountain snow. And there is a possibility there's some unstable air associated with this system that we could see an isolated thunderstorm or two. So that's going to pose a threat, especially to our recently burned areas. Take a look as we head into the evening period and also to the overnight. This system should start to make its way over to us. So we are looking at a winter weather advisory and also a winter weather warning in place right now. So we're talking snow in the lower elevations. We could get down to about 2,000 feet depending on where you live. Here's a look at what's happening. A lot of these advisories and warnings will stick around until about Tuesday night because that's when the system actually leaves the area. So for the mountains of San Bernardino County, including Big Bear and Lake Arrowhead, we are actually looking at possibly a foot of snow associated with this system. It is a very cold system coming in from the Pacific Northwest. The heaviest snow will be above 6,000 feet. And then areas like Lancaster, the Antelope Valley, Victorville, the Apple, the Lucerne valleys could possibly see about 2 to 4 inches of snow, maybe 6 inches, depending on where you live, especially for the foothills and mountain communities. But we're talking a very cold system, so some of the lower elevations that don't usually get to see snow could possibly see a dusting, and that also includes the Grapevine. So 2 chances of rain as we head into the rest of the work week, the one that's coming in as we speak, and then the second one should be moving in by Thursday, lingering with us through Saturday. So the first system where we could see anywhere from about 2/10 of an inch to 4/10 of an inch of rain. But if we see these thunderstorms, we could possibly see a little bit more. So again, that could pose a threat to the recent burn area. Storm number 2 packing a little bit more of a punch, 1/2 inch to an inch of rain just for the coast and valleys alone. 2 inches for the mountains, and then also snow levels expected to drop for this one, and minor debris flow very possible, especially for those recent burn areas for storm number 2. Here's a look at the futurecast. So you can see by 8:30 tonight, we're looking at a lot of this moisture starting to spread into the northern part of LA County, and again, possibly a dusting through the Grapevine. And then by about 11 p.m., we start to see a little bit more widespread rain activity for Orange County and also for the Inland Empire. And then you can see it continues to move off to the southeast. And then by the time we head into Tuesday morning, we could still see some light scattered showers here and there. It's going to be cold. It's going to be showery. And then the system should be out of here by tomorrow evening, drier for Wednesday. And then that next storm system moving in on Thursday afternoon as we head into the overnight hours. That's when we're going to see a little bit more. So again, the system that's moving in as we speak, drier for Wednesday, then much more rain for Thursday and Friday. The good news, though, by the end of the weekend, this upcoming weekend and the beginning of next week, we will slowly start to dry out and also warm back up.